Eddie Ghabour, the Eddie Ghabour, is back with us this morning. Are you still getting more from long-term government bonds than you're getting from stocks?
Stuart, we think it's a bull market in long-term treasuries. We've been aggressive buyers of dips, and we sold the rip yesterday. We had a nice rally because we think it's a play on the continuing slowdown. And look, two of our top three long-term ETF holdings are outperforming the S&P on a year-to-date basis. So it is doing that right now. And I think that's going to continue to happen. And the only way to survive this market, in our opinion, is to continue to be active, buying the dips, selling rips, and staying liquid. Being liquid is one of the most important things, in our opinion, from a risk management perspective.
Are you still forecasting a big drop in the immediate future?
So, Stuart, we still believe that we're going to have new lows as we get into the summer months. And that's not on an opinion. I don't want to be bearish, but the data is bearish, and I can't ignore it. Look at the 3-month and 10-year treasuries. Yesterday, we came into the day, the inversion was over 1.6%. That is an alarming inversion that should have everyone's attention. The other thing, too, is the credit default swaps on U.S. treasuries are really increasing, which is telling us that the bond market does not believe a debt agreement is going to be signed anytime soon. And lastly, I think we're going to continue to have a credit event. I think some banks are extremely vulnerable, and unfortunately, we will probably have another bank failure unless the government comes back in to try to save the day. You have all these things happening at the same time, which in our opinion means that we're probably going to hit new lows, and then we'll be aggressive buyers late summer into the fall, and I think we'll have a sizable fourth quarter rally. But the setup, unfortunately, is bearish because that's what the data is telling us to do.
I'm dying to bring you on the show and have you say, now's the time. Gap back in. Use all that liquidity. Buy back into the market. I'm waiting patiently, and we'll wait for you to come on the show and say that. Eddie Ghabour, see you later. Thanks a lot.